Hello and welcome to a new ADF tutorial, and today we are going to calculate the ratio between two xanthine tautomers, N7, which is depicted here, and N9, where this double bond migrates. This is N9, and I previously showed N7. The way we are going to do this is by doing a geometry optimization for both of the different tautomers with the standard settings. However, we are going to perform this in water, so we go to Model Solvation, Solvation method Cosmo, Cosmo solvent water. And now we can run the file for both of these tautomers, and I will come back to you when I have finished both calculations. Alright, both calculations have finished, and now we can go to the log files of both of these calculations. So this is for Xanthine 7 log file and the Xanthine 9 log file. Now we have them both open, and we are going to look at the total energy. So here bond energy for Xanthine 7 is minus 2514.85 kcal per mole, and for Xanthine 9 this will be minus 2512.34 kcal per mole in water, of course. Now I will pop up the Boltzmann equation on screen so we can calculate the ratio between these two different tautomers. As you can see, you have E2, which in this case is the energy for our Xanthine 9 tautomer, and you have E1, which is the energy value for our Xanthine 7 tautomer. The K is the Boltzmann constant. However, you have to be careful to select the Boltzmann constant with the right units to make sure the calculation works. T is the temperature, which is the standard temperature in ADF, which is 298.15 Kelvin. Entering all this information gives us the following ratio. The ratio is, as you can see on screen, 0.014, meaning for 0.014 of Xanthine 7 you will have 1 of Xanthine 9. We can also invert this, meaning for every xanthine N7 we will have 69 molecules of xanthine N9. Thank you guys for watching. If this tutorial was useful for you, please leave a like down below. Please let us know in the comments what tutorial you would like to see next. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this, and as always, take care.